Got the old Hornet in the storage, using the dinghy, the Acura. Let's get this thing down to the beach. All right, what do we got? We got a pump. We got two metal pedals. We got a gear guard, headlight hardware, headlight, axle, user's guide, class 2 stickers. Cool. I'm telling you what, great little toolkit, and the AC power supply. That's what came in. D-box. Jump, go. We know the routine, guys. We need to clean all this garbage up. We need to put on the front handlebars, or our stem has to go this way, north. Let's put on the handlebars first. Okay, he's tight. These are tight. Make sure this one here is tight also. Then we put on the front wheel. Now this is the first, what I'm loving. In this user's guide, it actually tells you the situation and the placement of all the spaces and screws. You don't have to sit there and figure them out. Great job. This is why I love Kingbulls. Okay, so you got the bolt, a washer, the axle, spacer, and then the cover, dust cover. Real simple. Obviously, you got to take this off first. You have the rubber spacer, the dust cover. You have the spacer. Then you have a small washer, and then you got the nut. Same thing on that side. Make sure that the rotor is not interfering with the brake pads. Tighten them up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Spin that baby. There you go. You got yourself front. All right, there you go. That wheel is still spinning. You know that's sitting good. Let's turn this thing back over. Let's clean up all this junk. Put on fenders, pedals, all that good stuff. Boom. Oh yeah, there you go. The Kingbull. Jump, go. Pedals, fenders, headlight. Put your left fender. That's your right fender. Your fender. That's fender. Yeah, that's fender. Headlight. Next. All right, heads up, guys. Gear, it has a little right R on it on each side for right side, left side where that headlight gear goes. Make sure you can tighten that up, and that's how she looks, baby. I'm telling you what, fender, headlight. Let's connect these wires here. Yellow, yellow, make sure the arrows match up. Ooh, we got a headlight. Here you go, the Kingbull Jumper Go Spacewalk Gray. 4-piston Techno hydraulic brakes, front and rear. Got the 20x4 Kendra tires, big old puncture-proof tires. Front and rear fender, headlight. You got your front suspension. You got your mid-drift air shocks adjustable. Your saddle, 450-pound rack. It's a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour lithium battery. About 7 hours to charge. Weighs about 11 pounds. The bike weighs about 81 pounds. Gets 20 miles per hour with the throttle only. 28 if you're assisting and pedaling it. Oh, those guys in the background. Oh, yeah. Oh, there she goes. There's the train interrupting my great product reviews. Have a good trip to San Diego. Like I said, 81 pounds, 75 inches long, 45 inches to the top of the handlebars. You got your display, your right half throttle, back brake, front brake, cool little handles. You got your headlight, your horn, pedal assist, minus, plus, your power button. 8-speed Shimano gear up and down. Step through, so real easy to get on and off that bike. And you can bring that seat up and down as it gets up to 60 miles on a full charge. You can charge the battery in the bike or outside the bike. Key is on the side, hit the right button. Throw that key in there, go clockwise, press this little button here. Oh, I like this already. I love the fact that it's on the top here, so you're not pulling it down or having to hold it up. Yeah, this is an 11-pound battery, all right. The charge port in and out of the bike. Here's your Kingbull information about the battery. You can go ahead and pause that and check it out. Oh, then you just slide that baby back in here. Make sure the key is in there. You're good to go. And it's 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery. All right, Kingbull Jumper Go. I guess you jump on it and you go, and that's what we're doing. Already went over some of the specs on this. Pedal assist, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, notice, now if I pedal this a little bit more, then I'm going 11, 12. People get confused with that torque and cadence sensors on the bike, but that's pretty much what it is. It's easier on the battery and the motor when you have that torque sensor helping you out. Let's do throttle only. It gets up pretty good. You got a good pickup level, but it gets up to about 20 miles an hour. That's max. Okay, now if I start pedaling real fast, 28, see that? Almost 29 miles an hour. It's matter of fact based on what you do, how you pedal. That's what's important. Now this thing with these big monster puncture-proof tires, these Kendra tires, you can go on any surface like I'm showing. I mean, the beach, the sand, any surface that you want. This thing's made for it, guys. It's a heavy bike. Big fat tires, you're gonna be cruising along comfortable as heck. It's not gonna be one spot. And with those air shocks, hello, the air shocks are great. It doesn't matter where you're going or what you're doing. You're not jumping up and down. You got the front shock, which are the zoom shocks. Whether I'm going around, I'm going over these big holes, going, different surfaces on and off. Oh yes, it handles everything, guys. Everything it throws at you. It's just so much fun. They make it so comfortable. They got different styles, different models for you to choose from. And what makes it great is that you can choose and pick the features you want. They have so many of them. Always wear a helmet, shoes. Remember, starboard bow is not the expert. The expert in this case is Kingbull, and the model is Jumper Go. Look it up online. All their information, description, links, all that good stuff is going to be in the description of this video. All right, let's try this hill. This is a nice, I'm going up this hill. 20 miles an hour up the hill. Come on. Not too many bikes can tell you that. This Bafang 750 watt motor does peak to about 1500 watts. So, but then again, you got to remember, the more power, the more throttle, less pedaling, you're going to kill your battery. So be prepared. Look at that view. Look at the size of that hill I just came flying up. That's right, guys. Kingbull, jump or go. Love this thing, man. This is just a cruiser. Handles perfect. You know what I love is the handlebars. Look how I'm just straight up, not leaning on my forearms. You can adjust this too down here. If you want to come down or you want to come up more, a little bit more, that's fine. Got that terrible horn. That's a negative. That's a con. What other cons can we have on this jump or go? Love the color. I'm getting a lot of looks with this thing. Love the 8-speed Shimano because I'm going up another hill right now. No problemo. Just put a little oomph on the back of my pedaling here. Kingbull, jump or go. Beautiful ride. Oh yeah, up and down these hills. See how it handles this little bump right here. Oh yeah. That's going through all different kinds. And there's some thick sand right here, guys. Right up here. Hopefully I don't kill myself. Look at this. Oh, see, you got to be careful. You got to know what you're doing. No problem with this sand. Wow. No problemo. Got to test it out. All right, guys, put like 20-something miles on this thing to the beach and back. Every different surface you can think about. You hear me? 5 bars still on this thing. Wow, this is crazy. I'm gonna bring down the gear a little bit because just cruising right now, pedal assist 2, getting about 10 miles an hour. I'm not pedaling hard because I got the Shimano gear shifter down a little bit lower so I can pedal freely so that the torque sensor helps me move along. Getting a lot of compliments on it. This Jump or Go is a little tank. Very well built, aluminum frame, hydraulic 4-piston front and rear brakes. Just kill it, just stop on a dime. The air shocks, you can adjust those. If you want them a little smoother, you want them a little tighter. With the Kendra tires, all different surfaces. We got grass, we got sand, we got asphalt, rocks, all that good stuff. And it handles great. As for the pros and cons for this, again, the con is to me, that's just me, guys, is that handlebars are a little bit too wide. Not too many cons on this thing, especially for the price point that it's at right now. I think you can get this thing under $1,400 right now. All the links, pricing information, discount code, other information will be in the description of this video. And I'm telling you what, guys, don't forget, if you haven't already, all my subscribers, that's right, all my 1 subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Please like, hit the bell, do all that good stuff. Don't forget to comment, everybody. Let me know what you think about the video, what you think don't like about the video, so that when I do another one down the road, I'm doing a great job. I'm loving that flag. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll see you next one.